This channel is produced by Japanese chef Taka-san using a different approach compared to other culinary videos. It is to create a Japanese cuisine community for the viewers to participate in. The contents and the dishes are based on requests received from viewers and friends, a program created by the viewers for the viewers. It is a desire to solve questions and problems regarding Japanese cuisine through this Japanese cuisine community. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel.